Jurassic Park. This is my home, people. The home of Kai Valentine. This is my favorite place in the world. My favorite thing in the world. My girlfriend was watching Jeopardy. Boring, but she loves that stuff. This is my video game stuff. Ooh, I just did that. I just put stickers on my Switch. Got my Gogeta, my Husky. Got all our books. This is all fiction. Yeah, and I've got a signed Ready Player One. All right. Got my fireplace. Oh, I love that thing so much. I love everything in here. I'm so grateful for everything. That's my signed drum head from my favorite band called Chiodos. That's an album from Chiodos, and that's We Came as Romans. None of them are around anymore. That's Roswell the alien cat. Oh yeah, okay. So we'll go outside. I won't step outside, but I'll show you we got all that luscious freaking green. Oh my God, I love it. Bird feeder, which we did last week, and it's already half full. We got my tomatoes growing. I got something else growing, you know what I'm saying? No, I don't. All that green, we're doing a Death Star wooden spool table that we did all on our own. That's all custom. We're not done with it yet. Keep it open so Roswell can look at the birds. We have one of my other favorite things. My girlfriend's really into Daredevil. I love Spider-Man, he's my favorite. This is hand painted. Then we have Iron Man, one of our other favorites. Ooh, so many books and nerdy stuff. I freaking love it. This is just a few of my Law of Attraction books, just a few. With this one being the newest one, the Law of Attraction for Idiots. It's actually pretty good. Had a lot of interesting stuff in there. The kitchen, yeah, with my granite countertops I love so much. Those are flowers I got for the lady. Yeah, so let's go into the bedroom, you know what I'm saying? All right, so really love that. That's when I was doing Kung Fu. I did Kung Fu for 11 years, tiger style. This is the bedroom. We don't spend hardly any time in here. We haven't put up our mirror yet, which I really want to. We're starting to just now decorate it. But this is important, guys. You know why? This is where all the magic happens. That's right. I study all my magic right there. Yep, that's where all that delicious, sweaty magic happens. Love all the windows. I've got 2 air filters because I'm allergic to our cats. Girlfriend plays piano. We have a hippo eating the moon because why not? And we'll go into the pooping area. Oh, I'm sorry, Mr. Hansel. Oh, that's me. That's your boy Kai. And that's me on my shirt. No, hallowed be thy gains. Freaking love it. God, it scared me for a minute. I thought I was walking down on a handsome man. So we got, this is where poop goes. Yeah, some idiot told me the other day that poop jokes were on the way out, and I just said, yeah, out of your butt. Get it? Because poop comes out of your butt. Anyway, this is where, let me just get in here with you. A stand-up shower. This is where more magic happens. I mean, you can imagine right there. Yeah, I just kind of practice my little card tricks here. Oh man, totally failing. Yeah, lots of good magic in here. As you can see, pick a card, any card. So yeah, more magic. I'll leave those there for later. And he's following me. Oh, no, you cannot go in there. He just, no. Well, guess he's going in there. We have a longer closet in there of the lady stuff. I have the small closet. Now let's go into the coolest room. Oh, he didn't see my Roomba. Oh, my Roomba. Oh, Roomba, Jamaica. Oh, I got it somewhere. I got my water filter for Spartacus. The girlfriend's out walking Spartacus. This is Spartacus as a puppy. This is hand painted with watercolor, which is one of my favorite styles. That's Spartacus as a puppy. This is the men's room. It's not done yet, but it's going to be two themes. It's going to be pirates, and it's going to be framed insects, like real insects framed. I don't like touching insects, but I like looking at them. I don't drink, but I love Siberian Husky, so I got this vintage Canadian whiskey. Now here's one of my favorite rooms. This is the office. This is where the magic happens for Kai, guys. Huge fan of Tim and Eric. I don't know if you know what that is, but I got this signed with John C. Reilly, who is from Step Brothers. My girlfriend, who does all her artwork, and she sells it on Etsy. If you're interested, comment down below, and she'll do personalized things for you. She is a professional artist and works at a famous bakery as a manager, and basically does art all the time. Those are all my awards and my degrees. My name's not really Kai Valentine. Surprise, I kept that separate. My real name is Stevie Collier, or Mark Collier, which is my dad's name. So it's kind of confusing, but Stevie is the name I use for my fantasy books, and I didn't want to mix that up with my law of attraction. But I've always been open about that. This is where Kai happens, guys. Kind of takes up, see how big that is? Takes up the whole freaking room. With the halo light, and you'll be asking, why are there wire ties on here? Well, that's because Roswell likes to drop all this over, and it breaks it every time. So this is like a piece of crap that I had to fix up because he kept dropping it. This is where a new channel is happening. It's called Alpha Geek. I am Alpha Geek, Alpha Geek. I'll have it down below during future videos, but it's all men's lifestyle for geeky guys. These are all my comics. We've got Spawn #1, another Spawn 1. This is if you bought the toy. I have the very first original Shazam, the very first original Moon Knight, Spider-Man with the art done by the guy who did Spawn. We have Raptor by Jurassic Park, Jango Fett, first Darth Vader, first Samurai Jack, and first Bob's Burgers variant. But I got a first edition Daredevil, Deadpool, and Spawn, the Dark Ages, and another first Star Wars. Got Stanley up there with a certified, what is it, Navajo? Yeah, it's Navajo. It's certified, done by a Navajo. Got my katana and my Kylo Ren. And this is where editing is done, business is done. I was reading As You Think. So it's not, the room is definitely not done. I have Spartacus's bed here, which Roswell, see he's, what are you doing? No. I just put that up. Please do not drop that. This is my meditation pillow, and I put my back against the wall because I have back problems. So that really is where I meditate. But yeah, that's it. This is where I do Gundams. And that's my camera back. Guys, that is it. Hit that like button if you liked my home. This is my paradise. I freaking love it here. And I'm about to start one right there for you guys. All right, love you all. See you there. Guys, we did it. Wow, that's so awesome. 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed my home. This is my paradise. This is my everything. I'm so in love with this apartment. I'm so excited to come home to it. I take really good care of it, and not a lunch goes by or dinner goes by that in prayer I don't show tons of gratitude, like genuine gratitude for this place. It's a funny story how I got it, but before I get into that, I really just want to give you a heartfelt thank you. I know just showing you my apartment isn't the best gift that I can give you, so I'm going to get into the giveaway in just a second. But first, again, I just want to say, guys, we did it. 1,000 subscribers. The Valentine family is above 1,000. And I just really, another thing I want to say is what keeps me coming back are the amazing comments down below and just seeing familiar faces. I love helping you guys out. I'm studying new books right now to get into more really cool stuff on how to be successful and find love, all that good stuff. Today I'm going to show you how to manifest your dream home, or exactly how I did it. But before that, let's talk about the giveaway. So a lot of you people probably thought I forgot, but I sure didn't. For 1,000 subscribers, we are doing a giveaway for this video, and that is going to be of the yellow salt lamps. that are really cool. They're great for reading. There's a lot of health benefits if you believe in that stuff. Do some research on them. They're really cool. I believe it's like a $40 value. I haven't really checked. And I'm also giving away to that same person a $50 Amazon gift card. So that's really exciting. And the rules that you have to do, that you have to follow in order to be part of this giveaway is 1, be subscribed to the channel, and I will be checking, obviously, like this video. That's number 2, so like the video. And number 3, comment down below something genuine. Let's just, I don't really care what you comment down below, obviously, but you know, guys, we did it, 1,000 subscribers, and I'm giving away the rock salt lamp and $50 gift card to Amazon. Remember, like this video, be a subscriber, and comment down below. I really appreciate it. I'm super excited. I believe I'm gonna let this run for a week. I think I'm gonna do a week, maybe less. So your chances are really good. There's only 1,000 of us, and not everyone is going to watch this video, so your chances are probably 1 in 50, 1 in 100, so good luck with that. Remember, like, subscribe, and comment down below to be entered. Okay, so let's get right into the video. You want a new crib. You do. You don't like where you're living. Maybe you're living with your parents. Maybe you're living in a worse part of town than what you prefer, or maybe you want something bigger. That's great. I totally agree with you. I suggest that you try to move on and get to upgrade your living space. Really, that's where we come home to sleep. It's where we eat. It's where we bring family and friends over. It's an important place, especially with things going on now. You want your place to be comfortable. You want to feel safe. Those are all really important things. It's what us humans really desire. It's really the first thing we look at with people besides their cars to see if they're rich. It's usually their home, right? So you want to get a better home. I did too. We just moved out of a much smaller apartment. I moved in with my girlfriend and we wanted something bigger. Fun story, we were looking at apartments and she was doing all the research. I was like, I just want granite countertops and I want a fireplace if possible. Actually, I didn't even know about the fireplace. And she showed me all these pictures and I was like, those are good, those are good. And I walked out and I came back and she's like, I think I found your one. And I looked at one picture of one room and I was like, that's it. That's the one we're gonna live in. And it was her favorite too. And we looked at the prices. They were a little bit above what we were doing. It turns out that we became more prosperous and we're easily able to afford an amazing place like this with all that greenery. But when we went to go check it out, they were remodeling and they were like, we do have places with fireplaces. I was like, oh my God, I want that fireplace. Like, that's what I want. Granite countertops, and now I want that fireplace. And they're like, but there's only 3 in the whole complex. And they're always taken. As soon as they come available, they're always taken. And I turned to Lisa, I'm like, we're getting that fireplace. I just know it. I feel it in my gut, Seriously, this law of attraction stuff is innate to me right now. It's just, I just know how to use it. But I just saw myself with this fireplace, didn't even worry about it. That's another big thing. I didn't put it on this pedestal. I just knew it was mine. I deserve it. I'm grateful for it already. And even if I didn't get it, I wouldn't care because I'm moving into this place no matter what. Now, there were a bunch of complications that came, and I'm not gonna get into those, but there were a ton of complications, and it was looking like we weren't gonna have it. But it didn't get to me. I just knew already. It was kind of like I was already there. See where I'm getting at? And we got it. We got the place with the fireplace. We got it on the 2nd floor, which we wanted because we wanted the carpet. The ground floor had like cement and I didn't want the feet of my animals to be too cold. And that would have been a pain to pick up all the hair. So that is how I did it. Now let's get into the steps on how you can do the same as well. So number 1, I always start with gratitude. You have to be grateful for where you are and what you have. You cannot expand, you cannot evolve unless you're grateful for what you have. Now, you could be asking, well, if I'm already grateful for what I have, then why would I move on? That is a trick question, and I have the answer for it, and that is you don't have to be satisfied with what you have. This is a Bob Proctor teaching. I love Bob Proctor. You don't have to be satisfied with what you have. So be grateful for what you have, but you don't have to be satisfied. As humans, we're constantly evolving. There's nothing wrong with wanting something bigger, more luxurious. People who tell you that are those stuck at the bottom and they're just jealous of you moving up. But you really have to show genuine gratitude for your living space. If it's a car, same thing. If you want a new car, you show gratitude for that. Now you might be asking, how do I show gratitude for something that I don't really care about? Number 2 is you're gonna upgrade it. So this goes for a car, but for the home, what you wanna do is maybe buy a carpet, start hanging up stuff on the wall that makes it look better. Give it a paint job, where places that the paint is cracking, or paint a wall a different color, something that makes it more desirable to you, something that makes it more relaxing and comfortable to you, and a place where you can, work and do prayers and be grateful for it, meditate. Make it more comfortable and make it more suited to you. Upgrade it, buy stuff for it, go out of your way when you're going through, I don't know, a Ross or something. Look for nice things that you can put in your home, knowing that by showing the universe, hey, I'm fixing up what I have. I'm that grateful for this. Thank you so much for the roof over my head. And you come at it from a very genuine, remember the key word is genuine. You can't be a spoiled brat and that's what I picture, like a spoiled brat, see, look, I bought a new toilet cover. Where's my mansion? Where's my mansion? Where is it? That's not how it works, guys, obviously. So upgrade it. And that's a really cool tip. And it's not spoken about a lot. So I would actually just call it a secret. The secret of the secret. So upgrade whatever you have. If it's a car, clean it out. Take it to the car wash, all that stuff. I actually just purchased a membership to get my car washed whenever I want for $28. It was a steal, and it's $15 to go through it every time, and I go 4 times, so I saved $30. The third thing is get your vision board. I'm currently working on mine. I believe I showed it to you in the video before, but you want to get specific on what you want. You want to get specific, but I suggest, now a lot of law of attraction practitioners disagree here, I suggest you put specifics down, granite countertops, blah, 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 but I don't think you should get into measurements, and I don't think you should be married to any one thing. When you are married to one single thing, kind of like if you're married to one person, not like you want that person and you want to be married to that one person, you're not letting God give you anything else. You're so close-minded. You have that closet with your eyes. I don't know. I was just studying Japanese. I can't speak English now. You have tunnel vision. You have the closet with your eyes. No, you have tunnel vision and you can't see the forest for the trees, or you're seeing the forest for the trees. Really let go of that. Find the stuff that you really like, put it on the board, imagine yourself there, but don't be married to it. And a good way to not be married to something is step 1 and 2. You're already grateful for what you have, but you see yourself in something even bigger and greater. And this combination of all of these things is going to get you closer and closer to your luxurious home while also being happy right now with what you have. The bonus, and I put it in parentheses because I didn't want to forget what it was, even though I put secret there, is, what was it? Oh yeah, take actions. And I say take actions to expanding your income, which there are many YouTube videos out there. I suggest e-commerce. That's what I do to make my money. I don't make any money off this channel. And besides that though, that's for another video on another time, is start taking action towards this home. Start driving through the neighborhoods that you want to live through. Start going to foreclosures and go through homes there, what are they called? Yard sales. Go through yard sales, estate sales, stuff like that. Start putting yourself there. A guy who did this really well was You Are Creators, Justin Perry, I believe his name. God, I love his videos. He talks about this. That was his thing, was he wanted a new home, so he toured them. But yeah, so that's it, guys. Thank you so much. Remember, I'm giving away a salt lamp that's $40 to $50 and a $50 gift card to Amazon to one lucky person. We're gonna have another giveaway at 5,000 subscribers. All you have to do is be subscribed to the channel, like this video, and comment down below. So yeah, let's do that. Thank you guys so much for 1,000 subscribers. This isn't just my accomplishment, it's yours as well. You're part of the Valentine family. I love you guys so much. Have a great day.